Buying car insurance seems simple, right? You just pick a company, sign the papers, and you're good to go. But here's the truth. Most drivers are overpaying, underinsured, or making mistakes that cost them thousands of dollars every single year. In this video, I'll break down the 7 most common mistakes people make when buying car insurance, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. If you stay with me until the end, you'll walk away knowing how to save money and still get the protection you actually need. Mistake number 1, going straight for the cheapest policy. Listen, I get it. Nobody wants to pay too much for insurance. But the cheapest policy often means the least protection. Sure, you might save $20 a month, but what happens if you get into a major accident and your coverage isn't enough to pay for the damage? That $20 you saved could suddenly turn into tens of thousands of dollars out of pocket. Instead of just asking, what's the cheapest option, ask, what coverage do I actually need to protect myself, my family, and my car? That mindset shift alone can save you huge regrets later. Mistake number 2, sticking with the first insurance quote you get. Insurance companies all calculate risk differently. That's why one company might quote you $150 a month, while another offers $95 for the exact same coverage. If you're not comparing at least 3 to 5 quotes, you're leaving money on the table. The trick is, don't just compare price. Compare coverage levels, deductibles, and customer service ratings. The best deal is the one that gives you value, not just the lowest number. Mistake number 3, picking the wrong deductible. Your deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in. Some people choose a super low deductible like $250 thinking it's safer, but that makes your monthly premium much higher. On the flip side, others go for a really high deductible like $2,000 and then can't afford it when an accident actually happens. The smart move is pick a deductible that balances your monthly budget with your emergency savings. That way, you're protected in the short term and the long term. Mistake number 4, not understanding what types of coverage you're buying. Here's a quick crash course. Liability coverage pays if you hurt someone else or damage their property. Collision coverage pays for damage to your own car in an accident. And comprehensive coverage protects you against things like theft, fire, or natural disasters. And uninsured or underinsured coverage protects you if the other driver doesn't have enough insurance. Too many people skip coverage they actually need or pay for coverage they'll never use. Understanding these types before you buy can save you thousands and prevent big surprises later. Mistake number 5, not asking about discounts. Most insurance companies offer hidden discounts, but they won't always tell you unless you ask. Safe driver discounts, multi-policy discounts, good student discounts, even discounts for having safety features in your car. They all add up. The average driver could save 10 to 25% just by asking, what discounts am I eligible for? That's free money left on the table if you don't. Mistake number 6, letting your coverage lapse. Even going without car insurance for a few days can skyrocket your future premiums. Insurance companies see a gap in coverage as a red flag and they'll punish you for it with higher rates. Always renew your policy before it expires, even if you're switching providers. That way, you stay protected and you don't end up paying way more later. And finally, mistake number 7, buying car insurance once and then forgetting about it. Your life changes. Maybe you move, buy a new car, or improve your credit score. All of these can lower your insurance rates, but if you never review your policy, you'll keep paying old prices. Experts recommend reviewing your policy at least once a year. A quick phone call could save you hundreds without sacrificing coverage. All right, let's do a quick recap of the 7 mistakes to avoid. Choosing the cheapest policy, not comparing multiple quotes, choosing the wrong deductible, not understanding coverage types, forgetting to ask about discounts, letting your coverage lapse, and not reviewing your policy regularly. Avoid these and you'll not only save money, but you'll also get the peace of mind that you and your car are truly protected. If this video helped you, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more quick insurance explainers, and drop your questions in the comments below. Your car is one of your biggest investments, so don't let these simple mistakes cost you more than they should.